Hi guys, welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Today I have got a unboxing of the iPhone 14 Plus. Okay, so we're going back to the pluses. Alright, before I continue, I'd like to let you guys know that this channel completely survives on your subscriptions, watching my videos, and liking them. So if you'd like to see my work continue, please do watch my videos. Alright, so this is the iPhone 14 Plus. So Apple's gotten rid of all the plastics, so it's now got these things here. So let's get this. So now let's look at this one. It is a 128 gig. Okay. I love how easy it is to slide these out, even with one hand. Some boxes still, okay, so the time that I say that it's going to be easy, it's a bit harder. Anyways, let's get this opened up. Alright, so I got it in purple to go with the deep purple that Apple is doing. So that's the deep purple iPhone 14 Pro, and this is the purple, okay. So that's how they look side by side. It's got a bit of a cutout there. So it's got a USB-C to USB lightning or whatever this is called. Lightning cable. And I think this is going to be the last year of that. Thank God. So we're moving to USB-C. Alright, now let's get this peeling. Okay, now I've been told to get my mic right up and close to the peeling so people can hear it. So I'm going to do that for you guys right now. Okay, so I hope that was worth it. So that's me taking off the peel, and let's look at this phone. Looks gorgeous. It's lighter, and it's actually it feels a tiny bit lighter than the iPhone 14. Comment below if you think it's going to be lighter than the iPhone 14 or not. Pro, I mean. And yeah, thank you for watching it to the end. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments what else I can do in these unboxings. Thank you. Take good care. Bye-bye.